In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom WooCommerce add to cart link in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so throughout this video, we'll be using the all-in-one checkout plugin by AovUp to create our custom add to cart links on our WooCommerce store. So this plugin will allow us to create add to cart links, whether it's a single product or even a variable product, okay? And you can add multiple products to a single URL. So this is perfect if you want to create a custom buy now button or add to cart button in a particular position on your store. Maybe you want to add a floating bar with a buy now link, right? Which takes them directly to the checkout page with the product and the selection already added. You can do so as well. This is also great for social media. So maybe you want to share a video of a particular product, right? And then you want to show this add to cart link below the video, okay? So in this case, it makes sense since the customer will already be sold on a product. So instead of clicking over to the product page, adding it to cart and then checking out, we can just bypass all those steps and then just take them directly to our checkout page with the product already pre-selected, okay? So there's numerous different use cases in why you want to create this. So with that being said, just head over to AovUp.com, go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so here we are on our WooCommerce store, and assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout plugin, we'll go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll just go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. If you've purchased the pro version as well, just go ahead and click activate to activate your license key. Once you've done so, it'll automatically redirect you to this add-on section. And then from here, we can just scroll down and then just make sure we toggle the all-in-one checkout plugin to on and do the same for the pro version as well. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's head over to AIO checkout for all-in-one checkout, and then we can create our custom add to cart links, okay? So we'll just click on this option here where it says buy link. So we'll click on it and then we'll just click create new buy link, okay? So now we'll just go ahead and select our product in which we want to add to this particular link. As I said, you can add multiple different products. I've got a variable product here, so we'll go ahead and test this one first. So now we'll have two options, right? So since it's a variable product, we can specify which variation we want to add to the customer's basket, okay? So for example, maybe we're creating a promotion of the large size, and then maybe we'll show it in pink, right? So then whenever the customer uses this link, it'll automatically add this particular product with the size large and the color being pink, okay? This is great for some use cases, but there's other situation where you might want the customer to actually select variation, right? So I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So first, let's just go ahead and save this link. So we can give this a name as well. So we can just say bikini pink. Okay, so that's saved fine. And we can just go ahead and hit save, okay? Right, so that's saved fine. And here is showing us our custom buy link, okay? So I'm just gonna copy this and then let's go ahead and open up a new tab and paste our buy link, okay? Okay, so it's automatically added the bikini product to our basket. And if we scroll down, we can see we've got this bikini product in large and the color is pink already added to our basket, okay? So I'm gonna X this off, and then let's say if we wanted to let the user decide which variation they wanted, here we'll just go ahead and select define by the user. So we might change the wording slightly, but just know that the admin can specify the variation, or we can let the customer specify the variation. So I'm just going to hit save again. Okay, and it's updated our buy link. So now let's copy this link and let's go ahead and paste it in. Okay, so currently the flow is slightly different now, right? So here it's prompting us that we need to specify the variation for this particular product, okay, bikini brown. So we can say medium this time, and then maybe we can choose the blue variation, okay? And then we can just add it to our basket. Okay, so as you can see, it's a lot more streamlined user flow. And we can add multiple products as well to our buy link. So if we head back over here, we can go ahead and add another product, for example, where we can add numerous different products. So I'm going to add this one here. We can change the quantity as well. So we can also automatically apply a coupon code to this particular URL. So it's super powerful. So again, let's go ahead and save changes. And here you can see the links updated. So now let's go ahead and test out this version of the link. So since we've got this variable product to our add to cart link, and we've already specified that the customer needs to choose their variation, we've got this pop-up here as well, okay? So this is a pre-release version that I'm currently testing. On the release version, we'll also give you the option as well to customize this message in here in the pop-up as well. So again, I can just select my option, okay, and then it will automatically add it to cart. So that's working fine. Now we can just try with a coupon. So we can click apply coupon code here. And the trick is we just need to make sure we've already created this coupon code, okay? So I'm just going to head back over to our main dashboard, and then I'll double check what coupons we've got on the system, and then we'll go ahead and add it to our URL, okay? Okay, so I'm going to use the coupon code FAB10. Okay, so now let's save changes again, and the URL is updated. So let's go ahead and copy this URL and paste it into this browser here, okay? So again, we need to choose our variable product. Go ahead and add it to cart. And if we scroll down, we should see all the products added to our basket. And here the coupon codes automatically applied as well, okay? So as you can see, this is super powerful because it gives us the flexibility to embed our products in our email, in our social media posting, and we can essentially use WooCommerce as a headless checkout system, okay? And this is a super powerful way to customize your add to cart links in WooCommerce. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.